Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to reopen or reactivate your Microsoft account. So first you can open your browser and then go to Google, and in the Google you can search for Microsoft account login, this one, and you will find this website. You can just click on it and then you will be in this page. Now you can just click sign in here and then you can just sign in with your Microsoft account, and then you can type your password or you can sign in with your fingerprint, and then you will see this option. You can reopen your account. You can just click reopen account, and then to protect your account you have to verify your email address or your alternative email, and then you can just type your email and then you can click send code and you will get your code in your email, and now your account is now reopened. You can just click done and you will be in your Microsoft account. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.